Hi guys, we're headed to Costco. Happy Sunday. We're going to get some gas. Then we're going to get car wash at Costco. I'm not sure if you guys have the car wash at your Costco, but we have a car wash. It's $7 and it's a drive-through car wash. It's pretty good. Then we're gonna head to Dollar Tree, pick up a couple of things, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store to get some stuff for dinner. So I'll check back in with you when we get to Costco. So I'm at the Costco car wash, guys, that I was telling you about. So this is how you pay. You get your receipt. Hi.
I can have you put your car in neutral, put off the brake and no steering. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. We're going through the Costco car wash now. I'm very claustrophobic, so I'm gonna close my eyes. My son's recording for me because I can't look because I'm just so claustrophobic. But you guys enjoy. Car in neutral, turn your radio off, and it just guides you through. Yes, this freaks me out because I don't like being closed in or not being able to see, not being able to feel like I feel like I can't breathe when I'm closed in like this. So I keep my eyes closed or I just don't look, but now this part I can see light, I can see outside, so I'm good. So it actually dries your car for you with the power dryers. So cool. On my mirror.